Have you ever wondered if a robot could do your job better than you? Well, stop wondering because it's already happening. Right now, as you're watching this video, millions of workers around the world are being quietly replaced by artificial intelligence robots that never sleep, never complain, and never ask for a raise. This isn't some distant future scenario from a science fiction movie. This is reality, and it's unfolding faster than most people realize. The transformation happening in our workforce isn't just about manufacturing robots on assembly lines anymore. We're talking about sophisticated AI systems that can diagnose diseases, serve legal papers, create art, and even perform surgery. These aren't your grandfather's industrial robots. These are intelligent machines that learn, adapt, and, in many cases, outperform humans at tasks we thought only we could do. Today, I'm going to show you 5 specific AI robots that are actively replacing human workers right now. Some of these might shock you, others might make you rethink your career path, and all of them will give you a glimpse into a world that's changing whether we're ready for it or not. Let's start with something that might hit close to home for many of you. Meet the AI customer service revolution that's happening in call centers across the globe. Companies like LivePerson and Ada have developed conversational AI systems that handle thousands of customer inquiries simultaneously without ever losing patience or having a bad day. These aren't the clunky chatbots from 5 years ago that could barely understand basic questions. Modern customer service AI can process natural language, understand context, access customer history, and resolve complex issues in real time. They're working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, in multiple languages, and they're getting better every single interaction. Major retailers like Walmart and Home Depot have already implemented these systems, and the results are staggering. Customer wait times have dropped by up to 80%, resolution rates have increased, and customer satisfaction scores are often higher than human-handled interactions. The AI doesn't get frustrated with difficult customers, doesn't need coffee breaks, and can instantly access any information needed to solve problems. But here's what's really concerning for human workers. These systems are now handling not just basic inquiries, but complex technical support, billing disputes, and even sales conversations. Industries that employed millions of customer service representatives are rapidly downsizing their human workforce in favor of AI alternatives. Moving from customer service to something even more specialized, let's talk about AI in the medical field. IBM's Watson for oncology and Google's DeepMind are revolutionizing cancer diagnosis and treatment recommendations. These AI systems can analyze medical imaging, patient histories, and vast databases of medical literature faster than any human doctor ever could. At Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, AI systems are already assisting oncologists in treatment planning. The AI can review thousands of similar cases in seconds, compare treatment outcomes, and suggest personalized treatment protocols based on a patient's specific genetic markers and medical history. What used to take a team of doctors hours or days to research and decide can now happen in minutes, but it goes beyond just recommendations. AI-powered robotic systems like the Da Vinci surgical system are performing actual surgeries with precision that surpasses human capabilities. These robots eliminate hand tremors, provide enhanced visualization, and can operate in spaces too small for human hands. Surgeons are becoming operators of these systems rather than performing procedures directly. The implications are massive. Radiologists who spent years learning to read X-rays and MRIs are finding that AI can detect cancer, fractures, and abnormalities more accurately than they can. Pathologists who analyze tissue samples are being supported and sometimes replaced by AI systems that can identify diseases in cellular structures with superhuman accuracy. Now let's shift gears to an industry that many thought was safe from automation: creative work. AI art generators like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion aren't just creating random images. They're producing professional quality artwork, logos, marketing materials, and even architectural designs that are indistinguishable from human-created content. Graphic design studios are already using these tools to generate concepts in minutes that would have taken human designers hours or days to create. Marketing agencies are producing entire advertising campaigns with AI-generated visuals, saving thousands of dollars in design costs and dramatically reducing project timelines. But it doesn't stop at visual art. AI writing tools like GPT and Claude are generating marketing copy, news articles, product descriptions, and even creative fiction. Content creation roles that seemed uniquely human are being automated at an unprecedented scale. Social media managers, copywriters, and content creators are finding themselves competing with AI systems that can produce content 24 hours a day at virtually no cost. The music industry isn't immune either. AI composers are creating background music for videos, advertisements, and even full albums. While they might not replace the creative genius of a Mozart or Beatles, they're certainly capable of producing the type of commercial music that fills elevators, stores, and corporate presentations. Let's move into the legal profession, where AI is making waves in ways that would have seemed impossible just a few years ago. Legal research, document review, and contract analysis are being revolutionized by AI systems like Ross Intelligence and Kira systems. These AI lawyers can review thousands of legal documents in hours, identify relevant case law, spot potential issues in contracts, and even draft basic legal documents. Law firms are using AI to handle due diligence processes that used to require teams of junior lawyers working around the clock. The accuracy rates are impressive too. AI systems can identify relevant clauses, inconsistencies, and potential legal risks with precision that often exceeds human capabilities. They don't get tired during long document reviews, don't overlook details due to fatigue, and can cross-reference information across vast databases instantaneously. Paralegal work, which has traditionally been an entry point into the legal profession, is being particularly affected. Tasks like legal research, document preparation, and case file organization are increasingly being handled by AI systems that can work faster and more accurately than human paralegals. Finally, let's talk about an area that affects millions of workers worldwide: transportation and logistics. Autonomous vehicles aren't just a future possibility. They're operating right now in specific environments and industries. Amazon's delivery robots are already making package deliveries in select cities. These small, wheeled robots navigate sidewalks and streets to deliver packages directly to customers' doors. While they're currently limited to certain areas, the technology is rapidly expanding to new locations. In warehouses, AI-powered robots are revolutionizing inventory management and order fulfillment. Companies like Amazon and Walmart use thousands of robotic systems that can locate items, pick orders, and pack shipments with minimal human intervention. These robots work continuously, don't need breaks, and can optimize warehouse operations in ways that human workers simply cannot match. Long-haul trucking is also being disrupted. Companies like Waymo and Tesla are testing autonomous trucks that can drive highway routes with minimal human oversight. While we're not yet at full automation for all driving conditions, the technology is advancing rapidly, and pilot programs are already reducing the need for human drivers on specific routes. The ripple effects extend beyond just drivers. Gas station attendants, truck stop workers, and even traffic enforcement officers may find their roles changing as autonomous vehicles become more prevalent. So where does this leave us? The reality is that AI robot replacement of human workers isn't a future threat. It's a current reality that's accelerating every day. The 5 examples I've shared represent just the tip of the iceberg. From customer service to surgery, from creative work to legal research, from artistic creation to transportation, no industry is completely immune to AI disruption. But here's the thing that's important to understand. This transformation also creates new opportunities. While AI is replacing some jobs, it's also creating new roles that didn't exist before. AI trainers, human-robot interaction specialists, and AI ethics consultants are emerging careers that combine human insight with technological capability. The key to thriving in this new landscape is adaptation. Workers who can learn to collaborate with AI systems, who can provide the human touch that AI cannot replicate, and who can develop skills that complement rather than compete with artificial intelligence, will find themselves in high demand. What's your take on this AI revolution? Are you worried about your job security, or are you excited about the possibilities? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video opened your eyes to the reality of AI in the workforce, make sure to subscribe for more insights into how technology is reshaping our world.